Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in Ulm in the Kingdom of Wittenberg in the German Empire. His father's name was Hermann Einstein and his mother's name was Pauline Koch. Einstein got married in 1903 to Mary. In 1904, his son named Hans Albert Einstein was born, and in 1910, his second son Edward was born. Albert Einstein received a patent officer job at the Federal Office for Intellectual Property in Bern, Switzerland at the age of 23 after completing college. While working there, he completed his PhD, after which he became a professor at the University of Zurich. During this period, he gave the theory of mass energy, E equal mc square. The atomic bombs dropped in Japan were built on this principle. Albert Einstein was against the atomic bomb dropped on Japan. He then gave a new theory of relativity. He received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1981 for his photoelectric effect. On 17 April 1955, Albert Einstein died due to underwent internal bleeding in the lower abdomen. The whole world celebrates Albert Einstein's birthday on 14 March as World Genius Day. The Albert Einstein was one of the best scientists, mathematician and physicist of the 20th century. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am showing a very interesting experiment based on chromatography. Actually, chromatography is a process of separation of a chemical mixture. In this experiment, we are using black ink as a chemical mixture and try to separate it into its different constituent colors. For this experiment, we need a glass of water, a black sketch pen, tissue paper, scissors and a stapler. First of all, cut the tissue paper like this. Draw a line in the tissue paper just 1 or 1.5 centimeter from the edge. I am fixing the tissue paper in this sketch pen or the other object like this using stapler. Put the paper in water so that the line of ink is just above the water level. And wait few minutes. Here we can see different colors on paper. It happens because the water starts gradually rising up through the tissue paper by capillary action. As the water moves up, it takes the dyes present in the ink along with it. As the water rises up, we can see different colors on paper. These are the different dyes present in the ink. Different dyes have different solubility levels and travel at different speed as the water rises up. As a result, we can see different color strips at different heights and the dyes get separated. The professional way of chromatography is through a chromatography paper instead of a tissue paper. It is used to purify chemical in industries and test products for quality use. There are several other uses of chromatography. We can use ink of different color for this. Thank you friends.